everyone, welcome back. Today's piano lesson is Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So this is how it sounds. So it's just 4 lines. The first line is... So we're going to play middle C, 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 D, E. Again, that is. For the second line, we're going to play E, D, E, F, G. Then we're going to play so we're going up to the highest C and playing C 3 times, then G 3 times, E 3 times, and then middle C 3 times. So again, that is. And the final line is, which is G, F, E, D, C. So again, that is. So that is it for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's play the song over one more time. Thank you for watching. Please leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.